Hi, Dr. Lloyd and Andrea and Aaron. As the stakeholders for my project, I would like to talk to you about the risk and the escalation of the project. This project is the new educational technology coaching position at Grove that I would like to talk about. The purpose of the project is actually to design the program and or the strategies that will be used for this newly created educational technology coach's position. I have some goals for the project, and the first goal is to create a job description for the educational technology coach. I'll be researching other schools and districts' job descriptions of their educational technology coaches in order to do this. The second goal is to develop a timing strategy for the coaching, and this would be because of teaching the STEM classes and being the elementary team lead, and I want to have the faculty aware of the times that I will be available for the coaching. The third goal is to create a PowerPoint presentation for all of you to see what I have come up with this new position. The fourth goal is one of the things that I will be doing in the position, and the very first thing I'll do is to create a RenWeb orientation video for taking attendance for the new faculty. I will also be creating RenWeb orientation videos for setting up their gradebook and assigning different things for the students, and also for entering grades in RenWeb. And lastly, the fifth goal for this position is to create a listing or a catalog, so to speak, of available technologies that teachers can use in their classrooms. So I've done a SWOT analysis of this project, and now I want to talk about the strengths, the weaknesses, our opportunities and threats for this project. First of all, for the strength number one is the familiarity with the Grove Elementary curriculum. I have many years of experience teaching elementary classes, and I'm also very familiar with the different curricula that Grove uses. So I feel that this will help immensely when choosing different technologies for the different classes. The second strength, since I'm the elementary team lead, I already have some experience meeting different needs for each elementary classroom, and this project really just expands the type of needs that there will be. The third strength of this project, I think, is the entire faculty is excited to learn new technology and to pair technology with different lessons. And I think each teacher is open to having an ed tech coach. There are some weaknesses in this project. Number one, finding appealing technology. Again, since I've taught on the elementary level for many years, the elementary level is what I know, and I will need to find technology that is appealing to the middle and the high school aged students. I don't want those students to think of the technology that's chosen for their classes to be too juvenile. A second weakness is just limited time. Since the ed tech coach position is a part-time position, and I will also be teaching the STEM classes for the elementary, this could create a little bit of stress in trying to meet everybody's needs right away. So just having to work through the limited time that there will be. The third weakness really comes because our faculty have different needs as far as technology is concerned. I won't be able to use a one-size-fits-all approach because we have very savvy technology savvy teachers, and we have some teachers that really struggle with technology. So I'll have to be meeting the different levels of all of the faculty. Next thing that I'd like to talk about are the opportunities that we have with this project. Firstly, the students in our class hopefully will be learning many valuable 21st century technology skills, and this would be just fabulous. The second opportunity that we have here is for the faculty to be mentored in new technology and supported in its implementation in their classrooms. And the third opportunity that we have is that this will present opportunities for faculty and me as the ed tech coach to do a lot of collaborating. It'll also provide opportunities for the teachers and the students to collaborate, and lastly for the students to collaborate among themselves. So there are some very exciting opportunities with this project. Some of the threats that could occur, one, faculty members may feel time pressure with, of course, their lessons and their planning, and maybe not be willing to take the time to collaborate with me as the ed tech coach. A second threat could be, again, the time between me being the STEM teacher for the elementary and also the educational technology coach. And I don't want to shortchange the technology in the classrooms because of teaching the STEM classes. And then lastly, one of the threats could just be the funding for new technology. If we're unable to find free technology, will the budget allow for new technology, or will you as administration be willing to spend funds for technology that is not free? Quote that I found from George Couros is, "Technology will never replace great teachers, but in the hands of great teachers, it's transformational." And that is my prayer for the educational technology coach's position, that I will be able to provide the teachers with lessons that are transformational in their classrooms. Thank you so much for listening to the presentation. And of course, if you need to find me, there is my email address at the school. Thanks so much.